2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.